Hey guys, Manu Vinci here, and in this video I want to show you the importance of putting a correct tracking number into your Seller Central. As you can see, valid tracking rate is one of the metrics required to keep running your business very efficiently and providing customer satisfaction. So to make sure that you've got 100% on all your shipments, I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. So we have just made relationship with this particular supplier that is telling us the tracking numbers via email. It's giving us his tracking numbers via email. So what we're doing in our order sheet, we are putting the postcode S1A, that's it, and we are finding that order number. So we're going to manage orders, and I will explain you exactly how to make sure that you've got 100% valid tracking rate. So to make sure that you will get 100%, first of all, you need to make sure that you are specifying the correct carrier. So if it is UPS, it's not USPS, right? So make sure that you select the right carrier. The second thing that you want to do is by clicking on the website, you want to make sure that you're putting the correct ship date. So you will see here that there is something that says where has my parcel been, or all the details. What you need to do is clicking wherever on that website, depending on the carrier. Obviously the layout is a little bit different, but you want to be seeing the history of that product. So you can see that this product has been received at DPD on the 25th of September. So today is the 26th. So we need to make sure that we are going to put the right day. So that product was actually dispatched on Tuesday, the 25th, 2018. The second thing that you want to do is make sure that you put the right tracking number. And for that, you don't want to be copying hyperlinks. So in this case, we can see this one is not an hyperlink. I always suggest to copy it directly from the website. However, in this particular website, we haven't got it here unless you copy from the URL. But if you copy just the last bit of it, it's not hyperlinked, so that it's good enough as well. So make sure you do that. And maybe you want to save the full tracking number also on your seller memo. So for future reference, you've got it there. Now, we are ready to confirm the shipment. I'm going to confirm it with the right dispatch date, the right carrier, the right tracking number, and confirm. So you would think that's enough to have 100% valid tracking rate, right? It's not, because what you need to make sure is that you are confirming shipment before the item is delivered and after has been received at the carrier. So if you confirm too early from the email or too late, it will be classed as invalid because you are not providing the right customer satisfaction, which is fair enough, right? Customers want to know what the parcel is before they deliver it, they receive it. So this is very important, guys. You must select the right ship date on your order. So you can see that the product was shipped, dispatched on the 25th of September, exactly as it says in here. And it's not been delivered yet. So we are right on time to make sure that that tracking number will be 100% correct. Hope this helped, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.